Understanding Rename a File, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, rename a file. This is a common term used in the world of technology and computers, and understanding it can be very helpful in both your personal and professional life. Let's dive in and demystify what it means to rename a file. To rename a file means to change the name of a digital file stored on a computer, smartphone, or similar device. When we save a document, photo, or any other type of file, it is given a name. Sometimes, we need to change this name later on for better organization or clarity. This process is what we call renaming. There are several scenarios where you might need to rename a file. 1. Correcting spelling errors, if the original file name has a typo or spelling mistake. 2. Updating information, changing the file name to reflect more current or relevant information. 3. Organizational purposes, renaming files to follow a specific naming convention for easier search and organization. Renaming a file is a simple process, but it can vary slightly depending on the device or operating system you are using. Generally, the steps are as follows. 1. Locate the file. Find the file you want to rename on your device. 2. Right-click and select Rename on a computer. Right-click on the file and choose the Rename option. 3. Enter the new name. Type in the new name for the file and press Enter. Here are some tips for effectively naming files. Be descriptive. Choose names that clearly describe the contents of the file. Use dates. Including dates can be helpful, especially for version control. Avoid special characters. Some characters are not allowed in file names, like asterisk, less than, greater than. Renaming a file is a straightforward yet essential skill in navigating digital environments. It helps in organizing and locating your files easily. We hope this video has helped clarify what it means to rename a file and how you can do it. Keep practicing your English and these tech skills, and you'll find them very useful in the digital world. Until next time, happy learning!